Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're giving this 2017 BMW G30 a fresh, modern look by upgrading the pre-facelift tail lights to these awesome 2020 LCI versions. It's a fantastic upgrade that really updates the rear end. Let's get started. Just a quick reminder, this is how I did it on my car. If you're doing this yourself, take your time and work safely. First up, the outer tail light. Open your boot. We need to access the back of the light unit. Behind here, you'll find a couple of nuts, usually 2 or 3, holding the light in place. And here's the wiring connector. Carefully unplug the wiring harness. It has a small clip you might need to press. Now, grab your new LCI outer light. Position it carefully and secure it with the nuts. Don't over-tighten. Then, plug in the new wiring harness. It should click into place. If you're using an adapter harness, connect to that now according to its instructions. Now, depending on the lights you bought and your car, you might need to do some simple coding to make them work perfectly and avoid any error messages. Alright, moment of truth, let's test them out. Look at that. Everything working perfectly, they look so much better. And there you have it. The LCI tail light upgrade on the G30 is complete. It's a relatively straightforward job, and I think the results speak for themselves. It really modernizes the car. So that's how you upgrade your G30 tail lights. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more car content. Any questions? Drop them in the comments below.